This is our last topic in Chapter 6A, Capítulo 6A. It's about stem changing verbs. This is a review, so hopefully this comes pretty naturally to you. I'll remind you that you change these in the boot. So when we think of stem changing verbs, the ones we change, the subjects we change, are in the boot if we're thinking about our chart. These ones change O to UE. Dormir, to sleep. Poder, to be able to. In English, we usually say can, like I can speak Spanish, but it seems a little weird to say to can, so we say to be able to. So we drop the ER, we drop the IR, then we change O to UE if it's inside the boot, add our normal endings. These verbs will change E to I. Pedir and servir, to ask for or to order. We've seen this one before. And servir, to serve. That should come pretty naturally since it is a cognate. Lastly, we have E to IE. So there's three different ways stems can change. O to UE, E to I, E to IE. O to U will be easy to remember, but you probably will have to memorize, is this a verb E to I, or is this a verb E to IE? Unfortunately, there's not a great way to remember this other than just studying. So here's your E to I's. Preferir, to prefer. Notice I bolded and underlined the second E. So if I were to drop the IR there and I'm left with two E's, I'm going to change the second one. That goes for any verb that you run into that has two E's and you're trying to stem change. Pensar, to think, and querer, to want. We've seen that verb as well, like yo quiero Taco Bell. Notice a lot of these are ER verbs and IR verbs, but like pensar, there's also an AR verb in there. So if you're not sure about the endings, that's a good thing to review. Here's an example. I used dormir. So as you can see, I just didn't say D-O-R-M and then put my standing. I changed that O to U, E, D-U-E-R-M-O, to duerme, just my normal two ending, L-A usted duerme. Ellos ustedes duermen. I isolated these four verbs because they're the ones that are in the shape of a boot. Now I get to nosotros. Do I need a stem change? Nope. That just has the O. I drop my IR, add my IMOS like I would with any other verb. This is not the comprehensive list of stem changing verbs. There's tons of stem changing verbs in Spanish. These are the ones that will be on your test. But they all follow the same rules. So if I give you a different verb, let's say mentir, to lie, and I tell you it's a stem changer, E to IE, you just follow the same rule. You change the E to IE in the yo, the to, the LA usted, the AOS ustedes, put your ending, you're good to go. So you don't have to memorize each individual one. Look for the patterns you already know.